morning, children. Children, in today's class I'll be doing the textbook exercise, that is lesson number 1, the shepherd and the wolf. Okay, everyone be ready with your textbook. Take out Sparrow Sem 1 textbook. Okay, take out page number 7. Everyone take out page number 7. Be ready with your pencil and eraser. Okay, children. First main. Okay, first main. Choose the correct option. Okay, choose the correct option. First one, the shepherd boy used to tend to his master's option goats, pigs, sheep. Which is the correct option, children? The shepherd boy used to tend to his master sheep. Okay, you need to tick in this box, C box. Okay. Next, second one. The shepherd boy was dash tending the sheep. The shepherd boy was dash tending the sheep. Happy, bored, angry. What, children? The shepherd boy was bored tending the sheep. So he was getting to bored, no, to tend the sheep. So the answer is bored. So you need to write here bored. Okay. B O R E D and tick to the B option inside the box. Okay. Next, third one, the villagers rushed with sticks and swords, guns and knives, pitchforks and clubs. The villagers rushed with what, children? With which object? As I told you, with the pitchforks and clubs, no? So pitchforks and clubs. So this is the correct option. Tick it to C inside the box. Okay. Fourth one. One day a dash attacked the sheep. So one day a dash attacked the sheep. Who attacked the sheep, children? Lion, tiger, wolf. Who attacked the sheep? Wolf. Okay, here you need to write wolf. Touch the line and write W-O-L-F. Wolf. Tick it to the C option inside the box. Okay. The second main is answer the following. This will be written in the classwork. Okay, children. So come to the third main, C main. Okay. Write T for true or F for false statements. If it is true, you will write T. If it is false, you will write F. Okay. First one, the shepherd boy was bored. The shepherd boy was bored, no, children, to take care of sheep. He was bored, no. Is it true or false? Is it true? So write here T. Okay. Next one, he always told the truth. So he always told the truth. Whether the shepherd boy always told the truth, children? Yes or no? No. So it is false. So inside this box, second one is false. Write F. Okay. Next, third one, the villagers always came to help him when he shouted for help. The villagers always came to help him when he shouted for help. When always the villagers came to help. When the wolf attacked also, the villagers came to help, children? No. So it is false. Next, fourth one, when a wolf really came, all the villagers helped the boy. When a wolf really came, all the villagers helped the boy. Did the villagers help the boy when the real wolf came? No. So wrong. So it is false. Okay, we have completed the C main. Okay, go to the next page. Turn the page, children. Okay, D main. Okay, we often use comprehensions in which we describe something by comparing it to something else. For example, as cold as ice, as dry as dust. Okay, choose the correct word from the brackets to complete the following comprehensions. Okay, shall we do this, children? First one. Okay, as cold as what? As cold as ice or fire? Which one you feel cold, children? Ice or fire? Ice. No, so you need to write here ice. I-C-E. Ice. You have to write on the line. Okay, touch the line and write. Okay, children? Next, second one, as white as. As white as dash. Snow or cool? As white as what, children? Snow or cool? As white as dash. Snow or cold? So what will be the white, children? Snow, no? So snow. So you need to write here on the line S-N-O-W. Okay? Next, third one. As black as dash. Day or night? As black as dash. What, children? Day or night? So night. So N-I-G-H-T. Night. Okay, touch the line and write. Fourth one. As smooth as dash. Sand or glass? So as smooth as dash. Sand or glass, children? What will be the smooth? Sand. Okay. S-A-N-D. Sand. Okay. Next. As hard as dash. Wool or rock? Okay. As hard as dash, wool or rock. Which will be the hard, children? Rock, no? Yes. So rock. You need to write here rock. Write on the line R-O-C-K. Rock. Next. Sixth one, has high as a dash. Kite or bicycle? As high as a dash. Kite or bicycle? So which will be high? So kite. So write here kite. Touch the line and write K-I-T-E. Kite. Okay, complete this D main, children. Okay, next is E main. Let's listen. Okay, when we say the word knife, the letter K is not pronounced. It is a silent letter. I'll repeat, children. When we say the word knife, the letter K is not pronounced. It is a silent letter. Your teacher will read out some words. Listen carefully and underline the silent letters in them. So you have to read out this word, children. I am going to read this word. So you need to find out the silent letter and you need to underline. You have to do this activity. Okay, children? Walk, honest, calf, talk, guest, palm, biscuit, tongue, kite, batch, sign, half, listen, autumn, knife. Children, you need to find out the silent letter and you need to underline this. You need to do this activity. Okay, children? Shall we move on to the next main? Okay, come to the page number 9. Page number 9. Okay. F main, let's talk. Read the words aloud. In each set, find the word that does not rhyme and circle it. I'll repeat, children. Read the words aloud and in each set, find the word that does not rhyme and circle it. Which is not rhyming in this, we need to find out and we need to circle. Okay, children, shall we find out? A1. Rude, blood, foot, crude. Which is not rhyming word in this, which does not rhyme. Which one, children? Can you find out? So, blood, you need to circle. and foot. It does not rhyme, so we need to circle this two word, blood and foot. Okay, you need to circle inside the word. Okay, next B1, hut, but, nut, put. I'll repeat, hut, but, nut, put. So put is not rhyme. Okay, so shall we circle this? Circle neatly, children. Okay, next C1, rain, pan, man, fan. Okay, rain, pan, man, fan. So here rain we need to circle. Okay, circle rain. Okay, next D1, 10, hen, jam, pen. Okay, 10, hen, jam, pen. So which is not rhyme, children? Which word is not rhyme? So jam. So you need to circle jam. Okay, next E1, bird, cat, bat, rat. Okay, bird, cat, bat, rat. So which one is not rhyme word, children? Bird. So you need to circle bird. Okay, so shall we move on to the next main? So the next main is creative writing. Okay, creative writing. Complete the sentences and write them in the form of a paragraph in your notebook. One is done for you. You need to complete in this book only. Okay, children, in this main only you need to complete. I'll repeat again. Complete the sentences and write them in the form of a paragraph in your notebook. One is done for you. Notebook means in the textbook only. So I have a book. Which book you have? Its name is what? You have to write the name of the book. It has dash pages. How many pages does it have? It has a dash cover. What is the cover on top of the book? It is about what? If you take any story book, you can mention the story book and name of the story book, how many pages it does have, and the top of the cover you can mention it is about what, the story is about what, it related, you need to write. You need to complete this G main. Okay, children, you need to complete this. I am going to check this. Okay, now shall we move on to the next main? So H. Okay, H main. Color this sheep and wolf as you please. So you can color by yourself as you wish. Okay, you have to color neatly inside this sheep and wolf. Do it inside. Okay, you have to do it neatly, children. So you have to complete this E main. Okay, G main. Okay, and H main. Okay, children, I am going to check this main in the interactive session. You have to complete this all the three main. Okay, read the exercise and do the activity. Okay, in this if you have any doubt you can ask me in the interactive session. Okay, children, thank you.